Everybody say bartender. Don't let my drink run out.
Day 4 of shooting.
4th day. Make sure some stay tuned because you see that season here, now go normal.
Problem is.
Yeah, we're there. Yeah, stay tuned for the new season. Bartender, big up on yourself.
You know, what's still I wonder when I see you at the show. But stay tuned.
Baba and I say.
As a girl, we love to take people, man.
So guys, guess what? We're shooting today at one of our newest locations, right? Tantrum Bar, Seafood and Grill. A big space. All the things are going to feed. So watch it.
Watch fish. You know the first place me I forgot like a place like this is the kitchen. Hi chef.
How you doing, eh?
When I cook Alfred chicken.
You mean chicken Alfredo?
Yeah, that.
Yes.
What's your fish? Want to share out? Hello. The chef have fish.
Are you alone excited? Are you alone a foodie or something?
Rolling. Action. Cut. Rolling. Action. Hold. Rolling. Action. Cut. Rolling. Action. Cut. Nice. More. One more for the it's a girly kind of thing. You know when you twist your thumbs like yeah. You want that kind of girly right. Again. Rolling. Action. Nice. Alright, so this is the scene. We're gonna suck out another cup. Rolling. Action. So all you expect me to do. Cut. Sorry, I'm going on.
Like half a dog in a year.
Give me a rolling. Action. So how you expect me to do it? Cut. Good. Boop in the head. Action. Cut.
People, you don't know, at Expressions JA, you have to know how to multitask. See? Today, I'm a camera personnel. Tomorrow, who to tell? I might be an actor in the scene. Check it.
Nicey, your line is, it was an opportunity. An opportunity to make something of my life and to feel special.
So what is my line?
Your line after that is, so me never make you feel special.
Oh, alright, cool.
Action.
That is not the line. The last line, me have the special. The special on my cue.
Alright, wait, let me give you about the line. People, today I'm the script supervisor. And as one can see, a peer problem them and you.
And not me, a she.
And I run bar in there, what kind of special you want?
Sure. Come on.
Alright, special crackers, come again.
See? This there. I beg you plug it in. I'll bring the next one. I'm going to stand 5.
No problem. Today, I'm the production assistant.
Keep.
So this season, Nice stop take people man. She stop take manure, mannequin and man frame. She's searching for a manager.
I mean, I tell you, say, it can't go whole heap of ways, you know. It can't go whole heap of ways because right now, circle with Camille, Nice, he might come back in the picture. Plus, who to tell? One of my baby mother good to just pop up and just turn things upside down. So, watch and see. Cha-cha.
Bartender, new season. You can't even say season 10 or season 12 because we don't even sure which season we're about. We know say some seasoning in the season, right? But you know me and Mr. Cliffhanger, Mr. Suspense, Mr. Mekono go, what? Mr. Mekono ball, laugh, and I can tell you to stick around because the season here, we have new locations, new face, new energy, new everything. So stay tuned, and it might be PG 15. Knew that, you know?
As me I say to people, just remember, if someone has brandished the nice cup, let's say, the bartender. I'm gonna get it personalized. The first lady. Anyway you want to put it. Merch still there.
Lady first.
Anyway they want to put it.
You need to clean up this situation with Carlton Wallace and the agent.
Seriously, who could take a shot like that?
Because if that comes out, the agency's done.
I need you to find me a place where I can lay low for 2 weeks until I deal with some unfinished business.
What's that?
Killing Carlton Wallace.
I know you're loyal to Mr. Mullins and the agents.
We need to be very discreet with any move we make.
I need to put a leash on him.
What going on for me? A few mil.
Oh no, go and get rid of Mr. Mullins long time. Cause when you can't control him, you still stuck at Uno.
So me never make you feel special.
Tell me something. You know the person your mother involved with?
Tell him say if him go to the police, I'm gonna read about him.
Me tell her, I say, me not just the man when I see her at 4 round.
Just sign on the blank space upon the phone.
And that me can't take with Uno boy, you know. And then have no approach.
How you style as boy? Girl.
What you say that boy? What you do?
Ease yourself, not me.
No matter do nothing stupid.
Ah man. I'm not gonna do nothing stupid.
All is well?
Yeah.